Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update iOS keychain access groups for extensions, detailed guide step by step clearly. The first step is to open your Xcode project. Navigate to the Targets section in the Project Navigator. Select your app target. Next, locate the Signing and Capabilities tab. Click on the plus button to add a new capability. Choose Keychain Sharing from the list. A new section will appear for Keychain access groups. Now, you need to define your access groups. Enter the appropriate access group for your main app. Ensure that your group name follows the format, teamid.keychaingroup. Do the same for your extension targets. Select the extension target in the Project Navigator. Again, go to the Signing and Capabilities tab. Add the Keychain Sharing capability for the extension. Make sure to input the same access group as your main app. This consistency allows both the app and extension to access the same keychain items. Now, navigate to your code files. Import the security framework if it's not already included. Use the keychain services to store and retrieve data. When saving data, specify the access group in the query. For retrieving data, ensure the access group is correctly referenced. Test your app and extension to confirm they can share keychain data. If you encounter any issues, double-check the access group formats. Remember, mismatched group names can lead to access errors. Once verified, your updates to the keychain access groups are complete. Make sure to thoroughly test all scenarios in your app and extension. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.